Greenville ISD is committed to sharing the facts about the 2022 bond issue. The bond proposal is broken down into 5 projects that will address the needs of our students and district. These projects include building a new Greenville Middle School that will become home to students in grades 6 through 8. The current middle school is 72 years old and is at 93% of its maximum capacity, leaving room for only 56 more students. The classrooms are smaller than the current state standards and the gym is not ADA compliant. Replacing the LP Waters Early Childhood Center to provide more restrooms, a larger cafeteria, and drop-off and pick-up access no longer directly off Lee Street. The original LP Waters campus is 72 years old and does not meet Texas state size requirements. Necessary repairs for the building systems would exceed the cost of replacement. Updating the 40-year-old sections of Greenville High School would remove unused lockers to reclaim space for collaborative learning spaces. Renovations to restrooms to make them ADA compliant, repair ceiling tiles, and replace lights throughout the building with more efficient and cost-effective LED lighting. Outdated plumbing and furniture would also be replaced. Constructing a new agriculture instructional facility to accommodate animals and provide the ability for hands-on instruction on high school property. The new facility would create additional instructional opportunities for students and allow more students to participate in them. Adding to the existing transportation services facilities with a new office space that would be used for driver training and meetings. Also included would be an expansion of parking for drivers and buses to accommodate growth. The current transportation facility is 75 years old and received the lowest score out of all GISD facilities. Project budgets represent a turnkey amount, which includes estimated construction cost, escalation due to inflation, fees, permits, furniture, equipment, and storm shelter code requirements. The total bond amount is $169.4 million, and you can see the breakdown here. Election day is May 7th, with early voting from April 25th to May 3rd. Greenville ISD's website contains detailed information about the bond. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Greenville ISD's bond issue, and please remember to get out and vote.